welcome to the Happy Hour TV, where I'll bring you trending and exciting news. How you doing today? I am Cece. Well, we're already in the rainy seasons in Nigeria, and the rains have been intense, especially in some states in the north central. The intensity and frequency of these rains have caused massive and devastating effects to some buildings in some of these states. Case in point today is one of the high-end estates along the airport road in Lugbe, Abuja, Nigeria's capital city, an estate known as Trademore Estate. The incessant fall of the rains this Friday, June 23rd, has caused residents of the estate to be trapped in their houses, and the flash floods, which started as an early morning rain this Friday morning, has caused houses and vehicles to become submerged in the flood. One of the residents living near the Trademore Estate said her friend living in the estate had been trapped inside since morning because of the rains. She also noted that the residents of the estate were always affected whenever it rained this way.
So have you seen? See that security man on the evacuated police station? Did you see those vehicles? They have people inside. Just check it out. Look at that man on top of the gas station. Did you see him? In fact, that road is completely blocked. I just came through this estate to snap and film this place. Look at it. Complete coaster bus. About 3 lines of this estate, the houses must just go. See, look at. Huh? Hiya. Hiya. Hiya.
On the situation, Abbas Idris, the Director General of Federal Capital Territory Emergency Management Agency (FEMA), said the entire estate sits on water. He further stated that the entire estate needed to be demolished in order to save lives. In his words, "Yes, we carried out the demolition last year. We are shocked to hear this news of flooding again. However, the truth is that the entire estate is situated on top of water. And for the safety of the lives of Nigerians, the entire estate as a whole would have to be demolished." Recall that in 2021, the flood claimed at least 4 lives and destroyed several properties in the same Trademore Estate. So people, if you have friends and acquaintances living within Trademore Estate in Abuja, please check on them. The situation there is there, and we need to be ensured of their safety. Meanwhile, I believe what needs to be done should be done as soon as possible, so as to avoid the same occurrence come next year or during another heavy downpour because we're already in the rainy seasons now, so we don't keep hearing bad and sad news like this. Okay, that's it for now on the Happy Hour TV. Do remember to stay tuned in, like and subscribe for more trending news like this. Bye for now.